Okay, so in the last module, we looked at billable expenses, so charging on expenses that we've incurred to our clients. And this one is going to be about billable time. So this is, for example, if you need to bill for either yourself or an employee to the client. This doesn't do any wages or anything. It doesn't link in with wages. It's purely for a client tracking, and billing tool. So you can either do this yourself if you've not got many people, if they want to send you their timesheets manually, or you can have employees down as timesheet users and they can submit their own ones and they don't have to see the rates that you have set. So I'm just going to click on new, and I've got single time activity or weekly timesheet. So we'll go with single time activity first. So I'm going to say this was done in May. Whose time are we tracking? I'm going to say that we're tracking Brittany's time. Choose a customer for them. I think we'll go for Adwin Co again. And we say how much they're billable per hour. So you've got there. And you can choose a location or class if you're doing it. I'm not going to do that on this time. And then we put how many hours, or you can do start and end time. So I'll do start and end time. So let's say that she started at 9 o'clock and she finished at 12 o'clock. No break, she only worked then. We'll say doing service work for Adwin Co. You can save new or save and close. I'm just going to save and close because I want to show you the weekly timesheets. Okay, and then weekly timesheet new, weekly timesheet. So if they're doing it more often, then a weekly timesheet is probably the best option. So you can choose a class and location per day. So if they're doing multiple things per day, it's probably easier to do as a single time entry, whereas if they're doing a weekly timesheet, it can just be one class or location per day if you use that. So just going on Brittany again. This is the week. I'm going to change a different week. I'm going to say that week. And it's still for Adwin Co. Actually, no, I'm going to change that. I'm going to say it's for that customer. And I'm not going to choose the classes. And that's it. It's billable. £30 an hour. She worked 7 hours a day some days and 8 hours other days. And here I'm going to choose a different customer for that time. Billable at 45. She only worked 5 hours a day that week. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Can copy last timesheet if they've got previous ones. I'm going to click on save and close. So what you'll see now is if you do a new invoice, Adwin Co, it'll come up with her time there. I'm just going to do save and new on these. You can see up here you've got the link transaction. You can click on that if you need to. So save and new. Oh, I haven't chosen the VAT rate, silly me. Okay, so it's save and new. Okay, and then Benjamin. You can see all of his days are different here. But you can group them like that. So he doesn't have a massive invoice. So it tells you how many hours, that time, and literally save and new. Right, I'm just going to close that out. Okay, so that is it. That is how you do the billable time. What I'm going to do in the next part of the video, it's going to cut to another part of the video, and that'll just be showing you how to set up employees for time.